Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with another video and with another product. Today the product that I have is a very big product in my hands. It's a iPhone 15 Pro Max. But what color I have got, how much I have got it, how much storage it has, and all of the stuff we will get to know after unboxing it. So let's not waste our time. Let's unpack it. Before opening it, let's turn it around and watch. What does it say? It's an iPhone 15 Pro Max. If I just turn it, you can see it's iPhone 15 Pro Max and designed by Apple in California. There are some other details written here. If you can see, it includes 15 Pro Max, USB-C charge cable. If you will have an idea, iPhone 15 Pro Max now comes with a C-type charger where you can plug it in your computers or any C-type charger. So it's a very big change from iPhones, although it has been happening in Androids for a long time, but in iPhone 15 or it's the first time ever in iPhones. So and there are some other details written like 1 GB is equal to 1 million bytes, 1 TB is equal to 1 trillion bytes, just for some information. So let's skip that part and come over here. If I can show you some other details, like it's 256 GB. For your information, iPhone 15 Pro Max doesn't come in 128 GB. For 128 GB, you have to buy an iPhone 15 Pro, or you can also buy an iPhone 15. But in the iPhone 15 Pro Max version, you can only get the 256 GB, or then move on forward like 512 GB or 1000 some 1 TB. Yeah, so it's you can see assembled in China. Other items is marked current model something great. I have no idea. And for you to know, it's an LLA model, which means it is for users in North America like Canada and USA. It doesn't come with a SIM tray, by which I mean it doesn't have any physical SIM or dual SIMs. No, it only has the option for the eSIMs. Right now, because it's totally fresh and unpacked, it is eligible for any phone calls around the world for 2 to 3 months. Because we live in Pakistan, so if you want to use, as I was saying that we live in Pakistan, so we really need PTA to proceed for calls or any network such things. But just to show you the whole box, it's iPhone written here, and then some iPhone written is also here. Then you can see a logo, which is an apple with a bite. If you can see, it's kind of a reflector. It reflects a little on making it move, which is a sign of an authentic iPhone. But of course, it's not the only sign. You can get to know it if it's an authentic product or not. You can do it by putting this IME number on your iPhone website. I will let you know later. I will let you know how to check your iPhone authenticity. My brother has also made a video. We can put it in the description. You can check that out. How to check if your iPhone is a original one or not. So, without wasting time, I would request my brother to just move it a little bit further so I can show you the whole set. And it's time to unbox. And ta-da! We have an iPhone 15 Pro Max in my hand, and it is in black color. iPhone 15 Pro Max actually came in 4 colors, which is a natural titanium, and the other one is black, and then white and blue. The most expensive one is the natural color, which I didn't buy, and then come the other 3 models like blue, white, and black, almost in the same price. There's not much difference, but you can say that black one is the cheapest one. So without wasting time, let's unpack it. I have it in my hands right now, finally, and let's turn it off. I'm gonna put the you can see how much time it's taking to get turned on. Oh, now it's on. Okay. Here are some the normal things. Okay, let me show you some settings. We are going to go settings, and there is a very quick hack for you if you want to know, like for example, by settings we want to know how much battery health it has, and you do not really know how to figure out where to get that option. No, we do not know. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just type it in the search bar, and we can have it battery health and charging, and now you can see it's 100%. Same way, for example, we want to check like for example, we want to check the sound of it. So let's write tune and go to the text tone, and maybe we can check the speakers. Okay, yes. Okay, no sound. Okay. Okay, let me show you the most important feature of an iPhone, for which I also bought the camera. Okay, the camera, I have opened it. It comes in many different modes. For example, starting from the left side, we have time lapse. Then time lapse also comes in four options for zooming power. One is it is in 1x, then 2x, 5x, and 0.5x. Then comes slow-mo. Slow-mo is actually very very good. If I just show you. I really enjoy making slow-mos in the iPhone. It was very quick, so maybe you cannot get the idea, but it's actually very good. And then there is cinematic mode. Cinematic mode also offers two options for zooming power. One is a 1x, and then there is another one 2x. We have right now the flashlight turned on, so you can see the result is very good. If we turn on the light, it's still good, but with the flashlight on, you can see it's very good, very good. Cinematic mode is for still videos, so that you can have very professional videos for movies, for YouTube videos, or any other professional video. Then comes the video option. It comes in four zooming power options like 0.5x, 1x, 2x, or 5x. It's actually great. Then comes the photo option, and photo option also offers you some zooming power options. Then comes the portrait mode. Portrait mode actually offers only three options, which is 1x, 2x, and 5x. Let's do the 5x. And then it also gives you some options like control light, stage light, and then stuff. Panel, that's panorama. It's actually good. Okay, if I show you something from if I show you some things from far away distance, for example, if you can see that knob, the door magnet, and we are gonna zoom it, so you can clearly see it. For the 0.5x, we can get the whole shape of the room. And 0.5x. And if I show you the selfie option, I can show you my brother. Are you making the efforts right now? But the camera is good. Okay, that's all. And then you can get to know that it comes with a data charging cable and some other stuff like I don't know what is it. We can maybe see. Oh, some notes. Oh, it's an Apple icon. Maybe probably it's a sticker. I think we can put it on the phone like this. I don't know what's it for, but maybe. Okay, and then we have some notes, I guess. uh yeah, these are some instructions like safety and battery and charging. And then this, you can see here, it's written, you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup, because it doesn't offer you any option for the physical SIM. Then it says designed by Apple in California. And then there comes a charging cable. The charging cable comes in C type on both sides. Earlier iPhones had like the C type charging cable, but it didn't come in both sides of the cable. Like this time we have it on the both sides, so we can use it in the laptops or any other Android C type charger. That's a great thing, I think. Great move. Now I can also, that was all about the, and now I am going to show you a thing which I bought separately, not of course not with it, because iPhone itself doesn't offer any charger. It only gives you a data cable but not an adapter. So I'm going to show you this adapter. It's a USB-C type charger. I mean adapter. So we're gonna unbox it. I have ripped it very badly, but I can tell you. Okay, oh yes, we have. Actually, we tried to open it earlier as well, so that's why it looks in so bad condition. But earlier it was very brand new. So let's just rip it off. And then now we have an adapter. The best and my favorite part is to open it. It's very actually cool how you open it. And how it was, yes, this way. It has this way. It has the port for the C type. You can, I think, plug either side. Yes, my brother approved either side. So you can plug it like the either side. You can plug it this way or this way, and now the other side is going to get into the phone. Yes, this way. Of course, it's not charging right now because we have not plugged in the charger. But that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you need any kind of information from where you can buy the phone, for how much price you can, or how you check the authenticity of the iPhone, there's a thing like many of the people are doing this stuff. They are selling you a fake product, the dummy iPhones, or the iPhones made in somewhere else but not in either Hong Kong or North America, while iPhones only come in from two places. That's North America, which are LED model most of the times, and the other comes from the Hong Kong, which have two options, the dual and the physical SIM, something like eSIM and physical SIM. So there is a specific way how to check the authenticity. I hope you check over another video from where you get the idea how to check the how to verify your product. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the whole video and whole unboxing. Till the next video, we're gonna meet you again. Allah Hafiz.